To set up theft protection in Motorola Signature, first of all, you'll need to make sure that you have Google account signed in to your Motorola. So you can do it right here in the Google services, just make sure that you have account. After that, we can scroll down and look for security and privacy options, enter device unlock, and then click on the theft protection. That way we have multiple different options that allows us to protect our device from the theft. So first one is theft detection lock. This is the simple one. When you enable it, your phone will detect when somebody grabs it and starts running with it. If it was unlocked, then your device should lock down automatically when something like that happens. Then there's offline device lock. Your screen will lock shortly after your device goes offline. So usually if somebody steals your device, they first thing they will do is disable any network options so that the device can be tracked. So that way, if your phone goes offline, it will lock the same way after a few seconds. Then there's a remotely secure device. A remote lock. If your device is lost or stolen, you can lock your screen from any device by entering your phone number at this website right here. So if you click on it, you can activate this option. Then if you go to the specified website right here from any other device and enter your phone number right there, that way you'll be able to remotely lock it. Next thing is find and erase your device. So you can click on this option, and if you have, as I said, Google account logged in, you can go to Find Hub app, then unlock your phone. And if you have other device that is also logged into the same account, you should see your Motorola Signature on this list. You can click on it, and then in the settings, you'll be able to factory reset your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.